The system utilizes centrifugal force and UVC light for purification.
The latest samples show the nutrient recovery is highly effective.
Scene 101, ecological integration. The black soldier fly larvae are critical here, rapidly converting organic matter into raw nutrients for the ecosystem.
Did you log the coordinates for this section?
Yes, the transfer is complete. It's moving on now.
Misting sequence is active and stable.
Bioaerosol containment is nominal. All systems green.
Clear on lane 2. Send it through.
Confirmed. Next pallet ready for UV sequencing.
Billions of neonate larvae are precisely distributed onto the organic substrate, beginning the growth cycle.
The flow rate looks consistent on the larvae side.
Yes, the separation is nearly perfect.
The harvested larvae are rapidly transported through a high-pressure steam tunnel for sterilization.
The heavy-duty screw press efficiently separates the golden larval oil from the solid protein cake. Demonstrate.
The compressed protein cake is fed into a high-speed hammer mill that grinds it into a fine, tan-colored
RFID tracking allows us to monitor inventory in real time, streamlining the supply chain process.
Confirming temperature on trailer 7. Looks good. Send the next pallet across the bridge. Let's maintain this pace, people.
A marvel of modern logistics, the cross-docking system ensures these products reach their destination without.
By choosing insect protein, you're supporting a sustainable future. It requires far fewer resources than traditional farming.
Real-time feedback from the East Coast is showing a positive trend.
Let's cross-reference that with the logistics data flow.
Precision is key in the mechanical-biological interface of modern insect farming.
Here in the industrial wing, the frass is sorted by vibratory screens before being converted into
ensuring the factory remains a clean and neighbor-friendly operation.
We're exceeding the threshold on reactor 3.
Adjusting the steam input. That should stabilize the digestion.
Utilizing high-speed and adaptable sense and advanced AI.
Look at the intake pressure on line 3. It's spiking again.
I see it. Adjusting the flow regulator remotely.
Thanks to your hard work, we hit 100% efficiency last quarter. Let's maintain that momentum on the factory floor today.
The acceptance rate is quite promising. We should be ready for the next phase.
Agreed. The feedback on sample B is overwhelmingly positive.
Reroute the Asia-Pacific vessel, weather advisory in Sector 4.
Acknowledged. Adjusting for optimal fuel efficiency now.
Bring it down slow, watch the side. Okay, easy now, set it down.
And here are the super protein sausages for you. Wow, thank you. They look delicious.
The 90% reduction in land use is unprecedented. We've officially met the sustainability goal.
Warning. Biosecurity breach detected in Sector Gamma. Quarantine initiated. Lockdown successful.